How to solve this problem? Cube root of 27 a to the power of 8 b cube 125 over a square. 27 a to the power of 8 b cube 125 a square. When you remove cube root, it becomes 1 by 3. Here a to the power of 2, a to the power of 8 cancel. Here a to the power of 6 remains. 27 as it is, a to the power of 6 b cube over 125 to the power of 1 by 3. Here in this problem 27 we can write it as 3 cube, a to the power of 6 as it is, b cube as it is, 125 we can write it as 5 cube. 125 we can write it as 5 cube whole to the power of 1 by 3. Here using identity a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. 3 to the power of 3 into 1 by 3, a to the power of 6 into 1 by 3, b to the power of 3 into 1 by 3 over 5 to the power of 3 times 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 cancel. Here 3 8 a square b over 5. That's our answer. Final answer is 3a square b over 5. That's our final answer. Thank you for watching.